If you're a web designer and you're not selling a CRM, you are leaving money on the table. And so a few years ago, I started to sell a CRM with my websites, and my monthly recurring income has drastically increased. And so I want to show you in this video today how you should be selling a CRM with every single website you sell. But the reality is, if you do sell a CRM, you need to be pocketing 99% of the money that the client's paying for that CRM. I don't want to sell MailChimp. I don't want to sell Ontraport or Infusionsoft or ActiveCampaign because they keep almost 100% of the money. So what you're doing is every time you sell a website, you're building their business. Now, yes, you can join their affiliate program and get 10 or 20% of the income, but they are still keeping the lion's share. And as the clients grow and they need to get more users and contacts added, that monthly bill increases and you get a little bit off the top. They give you a few scraps, but they are making a lot of money. Now, why shouldn't you make that money? Why shouldn't you pocket 98%, 99% of the money that your clients are normally paying MailChimp or Ontraport or Infusionsoft or ActiveCampaign, and you keep that for yourself? Well, you should be. And this is how you grow a very profitable web design business. So with web design, there are a couple of ways you can earn income. Okay, you can earn it through hosting. You can earn it through a retainer for marketing services. And the third one, which you may not know about, is through a CRM. The reality is, a hosting, you should be charging a minimum of $99 a month, okay? So $99 a month is what you should be charging. And that's actually not hard to do. With the retainers, you can charge anywhere from, $500 a month to $2,500 a month, right? But the problem with a retainer is that it's just right over my head. So let me just delete that. That's got to be distracting. Okay, so the problem with a retainer is that a typical retainer in the industry will last anywhere from 2 to 4 months, maybe 3 months on average. And so you might get a lot of money, a big spike, but it doesn't last very long on average. What we want to do is build a retainer that lasts a very long time. And that's where the CRM comes in. And I charge, for my business, I charge a retainer of $149 per month for a CRM. Now, what's beautiful about that is I get to keep pretty much 97, 98, 99% of that because I pay a one-off fee for the CRM that I use. And then any clients, I have unlimited clients and contacts I can sign up. So instead of me sending them to MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or some sort of third-party platform, I sign them up to my service, which I just purchase as on white label from another company. And I get to keep most of that money. So look at this. If we're doing hosting plus the CRM, and just say we're doing $99 a month for hosting and $149 for CRM, that's say around $250 a month for those two services. If we get 100 clients signed up, that is $25K per month recurring, and this kind of money lasts for 3 to 5 years, not 3 months. So a hosting client and a CRM client, it's very hard for a client to move once they start a CRM or once they start hosting with you, and so they're very sticky. So think about this. You're not doing, like with a monthly retainer, you're doing lots of work, SEO work, you're doing Facebook ads, you're doing Google ads, you're doing social media updates, lots of work. So that retainer you're getting, you're paying a lot out in wages for employees to do that work. With hosting and the CRM, they're both platforms. You actually don't do a lot of work. It's just to host the website and just for the platform, the CRM, to use it. And so it's almost 100%. The amount of money that you make. And so that's pretty significant. That's what I want to build in my business, and that's why I love web design, because if you can combine a CRM with where you make 98% of the money every month that the client pays you, and then you line that up with hosting, you can see that with 100 clients at $250 a month, you're making $25,000. Now let's say you're not brave enough to charge $250 a month for this and you charge half that. Right, so you charge $125. Well, what's that? $12,500 a month if you have 100 clients. That is some serious money. You can sell a business with that. You can sell that recurring income for 3, 4, 5 times the yearly income because it's guaranteed cash. So it makes your business valuable. It also gets you through the tough times like COVID and maybe holiday season when all the clients stop asking for more work, but you still just have this retainer just coming in every single month. 3 to 5 years worth of income. And that is why I love adding a CRM to my web design business, but not a CRM that other people take the money for and you know get them to pay ActiveCampaign or MailChimp or Infusionsoft. No, a CRM where I take the money for. So a lot of you are probably saying, Marlon, what's the name of the CRM that you use? Well, I'm going to ask you to do a bit of work, right? I've spent literally years trying to figure out which CRM to use, how to make this work, and I want you to do a little bit of work. If you really care and if you really want to do it, I want you to message me. Wait a minute, things are going off everywhere. I want you to message me and ask. You can get me on Facebook. You can even write in the comments. No, don't write in the comments because once I do it once, everyone will know. I want you to work a bit. If you really care, if you really think that that amount of money there is significant for your business and you want to grow it, figure out how to find me out. Let me tell you how to find me. Pretty easy. Go to Facebook. There's a group called the Profitable Web Designer. It's a Facebook group. Join the group. You'll see me in there. Message me. I'll tell you what it is. It is life-changing if you build this kind of platform into your agency, right? If you can sign up 100 clients, even at half of the 250 a month, 12 at 125 a month, you're getting 12,500 or 25,000 a month. So you do the work. I've done the work for you. I'll tell it to you, but you find me, you message me, and I'll tell you what it is. I guarantee you it will change your business. It'll change the way your cash flow works in your business. So join the Facebook group, message me, and I look forward to seeing who really cares about building recurring income in their business. See ya.